Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create WooCommerce customer from Facebook lead ads. So here by using Facebook lead ads, I'm promoting my product line on my Facebook page. Now what I want to do is that as I'm going to receive a new interested person in my product line, then automatically by using that detail of that lead, I want to create a new customer on WooCommerce. So here for doing this automatically, what I need to do is I need to build a connection between Facebook lead ads and WooCommerce. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads for my product line, then automatically by using those details, I will create a new customer on WooCommerce. So how I'm going to set up this automation and how I'm going to create this connection, for that, let me take you to my computer screen.
I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create WooCommerce customer from Facebook lead ads. So suppose I'm running a clothing brand or I'm running a business and I'm using Facebook lead ads to capture interest in a new product line. So whenever a new user submit their information in my Facebook lead ad form, then automatically I want them to create as a customer in WooCommerce. So this will allow me for immediate access to personalized welcome emails and onboarding content. So here by creating a new customer in WooCommerce from the new lead that I'm going to receive through Facebook lead ads, what will happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new interested person in my product line that I'm going to promote on my Facebook page through Facebook lead ads, I will automatically create that as a customer so that I can send some personalized emails and some welcome email with some personalized offers, new products, or any marketing strategy that I want to use. So by automatically creating my new Facebook lead as a new customer in WooCommerce, I can increase my chances of converting that lead into a customer. So here I want to do this automatically, and for that I need to build a connection between Facebook lead ads and WooCommerce, and for that I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So here by simply using Pabbly Connect, I'm going to connect Facebook lead ads and WooCommerce without any coding and programming skills, and I'm going to set up this automation. So here for building this connection, I just need to use Pabbly Connect, and for using Pabbly Connect, I'm going to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you're an existing user, then you can just click on sign in and it will direct us to this page, and here we will see all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this create workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create WooCommerce customer from Facebook lead ads. Now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab and here I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account. And here I have this particular folder of Facebook lead ads, so I'm going to select this. And now I need to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. And here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in my workflow, I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here for setting up my workflow, I need to first set up my trigger, and here I need to first search for my trigger application, and here my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to search for that, and here I'm going to select Facebook lead ads. And now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and new lead instance will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And now I have to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. And here we can see I have successfully connected Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Now here I have these two options of page and the lead gen form. So here what I need to do is I need to first select my page where I'm promoting my business or I'm promoting my product line through which I'm going to receive my new leads. So here for getting my Facebook page, I need to first take you to my Facebook account. And here in my Facebook account, I'm going to use this page of Glam Fusion, which is the name of my business. And on this particular page on Facebook, I'm running my ad campaign through which I'm receiving the new interested people or the new leads for my product line. Now here I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I need to first select my page. So I'm going to open this tab. And here in this tab, I will find all the pages that I have in my Facebook account. And here this is my particular Facebook page that I want to use that is named as Glam Fusion. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to select my lead gen form. So here I need to select the lead gen form by using which I'm going to receive the new lead for my product line. And here you can select any particular lead gen form that you have created in your Facebook page or in your ad campaign. And here I'm going to select this all lead gen forms. So every lead that I'm going to receive through any lead gen form that I have on my Facebook page, I'm going to receive the detail here in Pabbly Connect. So here I've selected the page and the lead gen form. Now I have the important note that says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test to Quiz button, you will need to generate the sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So here I have to make sure that my lead generation form is live and my ad campaign that I'm running on my Facebook page is running live. So by doing that, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically I will get the response of that lead here in Pabbly Connect. But right now I don't have any live campaign running on my Facebook page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a sample submission, and as I will generate a sample submission or I will create a sample lead, then I will get the response of that sample lead here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm only going to generate the sample submission so that I can show you how to set up this automation between Facebook lead ads and WooCommerce. So for that, I need to first click on this Save and Send Test to Quiz button. And here we can see it is waiting for a webhook response. So for getting my response and for getting my lead detail, I need to create a sample submission, and I'm going to create my sample submission by using Metaphor Developer. So I'm going to take you to Metaphor Developer, and here I need to go to Resources, and now I need to go to Developer Tools. So I'm going to open that. And now I have to scroll down, and here I need to use this tool of Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So I'm going to open that. And here we can see I have these two tabs of page and form. So here first I have to select my Facebook page that I'm going to use. So I'm going to open this tab. And here in this tab, I'm going to select my page that I'm using, which is named as Glam Fusion. So I'm going to select that. And here my form is already selected. Now what I need to do is I need to click on this preview form button. And as I'm going to click here, I will get my lead gen form. And in my lead gen form, I need to fill the dummy details so that I can create a new lead in Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to click here, and here this is my lead gen form. Now what I need to do is I need to fill all these details, and here I have to fill the detail with the dummy detail so that I can create a dummy lead. So here my first name is going to be Michael, last name will be Karis, email will be michaelkaris@pabblytudes.com, and now I'm going to give a random phone number of my lead. Now here I have filled all the required details. Now I'm going to click on continue. I will click on submit. And here I have successfully submitted my form and I have created this new lead. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of my new lead that I've generated through Facebook lead ads. And here I have all the detail of my lead. So here I have the first name that is Michael. I have the last name that is Karis. I have the email that is michaelkaris@pabblytudes.com. And I have the random phone number of my lead. So here we can see that these were all the details that I filled of my lead in my lead gen form, and automatically I received all the detail of that lead here in Pabbly Connect. So here from my lead gen form or through my Facebook page where I'm running my ad campaign, I'm receiving all the detail of my lead, and I have received all these details here in Pabbly Connect. Now that I have received all the detail of my Facebook lead ads lead, now what I want to do is I want to use all these details, and I automatically want to use these details to create a new customer in WooCommerce. So for creating a new customer in WooCommerce, I need to set up my action tab. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I need to search for my action application that is going to be WooCommerce. Now I'm going to select WooCommerce here. And I need to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab. and add new customer will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to connect WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect, I need a consumer key, consumer secret, and the website URL. Now here for getting the consumer key and the consumer secret, what I need to do is I need to create or manage a new key in WooCommerce, and for that I need to first navigate to WooCommerce where I will find the settings option, and in settings I need to go to advanced settings, and in advanced settings I will have the option of REST API. So in REST API I need to create my new key where I will find the consumer key and the consumer secret. So for this, let me take you to WordPress where I have my plugin of WooCommerce, and here in WooCommerce plugin I need to go to settings, and now in settings I need to go to advanced settings, and here in advanced settings I have this option of REST API, so I'm going to open that, and here in REST API I need to add a new key, so I'm going to click on this add key button. Now here I have to fill all these details. So first I have to give my description, and here I'm going to give description as WooCommerce customer. Now I have to select my user, and I have already selected that. Now I'm going to give my permission. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I'm going to give the permission of read and write. So I'm going to select that, and now I'm going to click on generate API key button. And here we can see it has generated this consumer key and the consumer secret. Now I need all these details, and now what I need to do is I need to copy these details and I need to paste that or add that in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to copy these details and I'm going to paste that in Pabbly Connect. And now what I need is I need the website URL. So here for getting the website URL, what I need to do is I need to take you to my WooCommerce shop, and here this is my WooCommerce shop, and in the path URL of my shop I will find my website URL. So here I need my website URL, so I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that here in this tab of website URL. Now here I have added the required details, so I'm going to click on save, and here I have connected WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect. Now here for creating a new customer, I need to fill all these details, and here I first need an email address. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the email address of my lead that I have received through Facebook lead ads, and I'm going to use the response of Facebook lead ads from my previous tab. So automatically by using those responses, I'm going to map those details here in these tab, and I'm going to map those details to create a new customer in WooCommerce. So for that I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here. I will open the response of Facebook lead ads, and here this is the email address of my customer, so I'm going to map this. Now I need to give the first name and the last name of my lead. So I'm going to click here. I will again open this response of Facebook lead ads, and here this is the first name, so I'm going to map this. I will similarly map the last name. I will also give the username. So in the username I'm going to use the full name of my lead. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Facebook lead ads. I will first map the first name. I will give a space, and I'm going to map the last name. Now I'm going to scroll down. And here I also need the billing email, which is a required detail. So I'm going to map the same email address of my lead as the billing email too. And I'm going to map the billing phone number. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Facebook lead ads. And here this is the phone number of my lead. So I'm going to map this. And now I have mapped all the required details that I have received through my Facebook lead ads response. And as I have mapped these details, I have made all these details dynamic. Now what will happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically I'm going to receive the new response of the lead, and as I have mapped all these details, these details will get replaced with the new lead detail in the real time. So every time I'm going to receive a new lead, then automatically by using those details of the lead, I'm going to create a new customer in WooCommerce. Now I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have created a new customer in WooCommerce by using all the detail of my lead that I've received through Facebook lead ads. So to check whether I've created a new customer or not, let me take you to WooCommerce. Here I will go to customers. And here in customers, I'm going to search for my new customer that I've created. So I'm going to search that by name, and the name of my lead was Michael. And here we can see that this is my new customer that I've just created. So here I have the date, that is November 4, 2024, which is my today's date. And here I have created this new customer which is named as Michael Karras. I have the email that is michaelkarras@pabblytudes.com. Here I have received 0 orders from this particular customer and the total spend is also 0 because this is the lead that I have received through Facebook lead ads, and by using that lead detail I have created this lead as a new customer in WooCommerce. Now I want to convert this lead into a customer so I can send the personalized emails or the marketing emails to this particular customer, and I can tempt this lead to convert into a customer and make new orders. So here I have successfully created this new customer in WooCommerce by using my lead detail from Facebook lead ads, and here I have successfully done this by setting up this automation between Facebook lead ads and WooCommerce. Now what will happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically by using that detail I will create a new customer in WooCommerce. So here I have successfully created this automation simply by using Pabbly Connect. And with Pabbly Connect, I've created this connection between Facebook lead ads and WooCommerce without any coding and programming skills. So for every new lead that I'm going to receive through Facebook lead ads or the new lead that is interested in my product line that I'm promoting through my Facebook page, I'm going to use that lead detail and I'm going to use those details to automatically create a new customer in WooCommerce. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have connected Facebook lead ads with WooCommerce, and here I have created this connection to automatically create WooCommerce customer from Facebook lead ads. Now let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my actions tab, and here my action application was WooCommerce, and my action event was add new customer. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow, and I am also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.